Hello, this is Fearmouse Hound, and welcome to one of my first zombie gameplay, my first of many. Basically, in this is a end of Die Rise, and basically is we're using just to box ourselves in and launch the zombies as they come towards us. This is a helpful show I recommend. So if you just put three, you're going to need 4 players or 3 players to do this. You're going to put 3 launchers where we have them set up, and as you just see, we just start launching zombies. But as more zombies come in the group, we're going to start at least shooting a couple and killing them because they will come in, as you will see in this video. So if this helped, like it, give me a rating, tell me what I need to do, work on as a commentary. Alright, thanks. Peace.